it's Miss Miller again, and we're going to review whole number operations. So, problem number 1, I have 583 plus 27, and I'm going to line up my numbers by place value. So I'm going to put the 7 right under the 3 and the 2 right under the 8, and then I'm just going to add them. 7 plus 3 is 10, carry the 1, 2 plus 8 is 10, plus 1 makes 11, and 5 plus 1 is 6. So my answer is 610. Number 2, I'm going to subtract, and once again I'm going to line up my numbers according to place value. So my 2 is in the 1 place, so I'll put it right under the 3 and put the 7 right under the 5. And I'm subtracting. 3 minus 2 is 1. 5 minus 7. Can't take 7 from 5. So I'm going to borrow, and this becomes a 15. Now 15 minus 7 is 8. 6 minus nothing, or 0, would be 6. And then 2 minus nothing, or 0, is 2. 2,681. The next one, I have 382 plus negative 154. So I'm noticing that my signs are different. I've got a positive and a negative, so that means I really need to subtract the biggest number minus the smallest one, and then I'll take the sign of the bigger number. So 2 minus 4, I need to borrow from my 8. That makes a 12. Minus 4 is 8. 7 minus 5 is 2. And 3 minus 1 is 2. My positive number was the bigger number, so my answer is positive. Number 4, 34 times 8. Remember, the dot means to multiply. So 34 times 8. 8 times 4 is 32. Carry the 3. 8 times 3 is 24. Plus 3, 27. 272. Right, now I have 26, and then the parentheses mean to multiply, negative 32. So my faces, that'd be like a black eye, so not happy camper, so I'm going to have a negative answer, but I just multiply like normal. So 26 times 32. I'm going to multiply the 2 by the top row, and then I'm going to add a 0 for a placeholder, and then multiply the 3 times the top row. So 2 times 6 is 12. Carry the 1. 2 times 2 is 4. Plus 1 makes 5. Add a 0. 3 times 6 is 18. Carry a 1. 3 times 2 is 6. Plus 1 makes 7. Now I add. 2 plus 0 is 2. 5 plus 8 is 13. And 7 plus 1 is 8. And remember, we had a positive times a negative, so our answer is negative. Last, let's review division. I have 683 divided by 6. So I'm going to put the 683 under the house, and then the 6 here. I'm going to follow the steps: dad, mom, sister, brother, and sometimes rover. So divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. Divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. 6 fits in the 6 one time. 1 times 6 is 6. Subtract and get 0. Bring down the 8. 6 fits in the 8 one time. Multiply. Subtract. 8 minus 6 is 2. Bring down 3. 6 fits into 23 3 times. 3 times 6 is 18. Subtract, and I get 5. There's no more numbers to bring down, so I know I'm finished, so my remainder is 5. All right, we're all done. It's time for you to try some on your own.